So the question goes like, what are the key difference between working in traditional banks, fintech startups, and investment banking?
Okay. The traditional banks are structured. They are process driven. First of all, right? There is a method to the madness, I would say. Right? You know what's happening. They're regulatory heavy, and they're stable. But it's a giant, right? So obviously they are not nimble. So if you want to work in a nimble organization, then a fintech startup would be something that you would want to be a part of, right? Those are fast-paced, tech-driven, uh, disruptive innovation. Trying new things, and obviously, but that would require you a lot of adaptability because it's obviously hard. You cannot actually sit back and uh, live your moment. I would say that okay, one thing is done now. I can take my break. It's very fast. Investment banking, it's very high stakes. It involves a lot of financial structuring, deal making. Uh, it's a very demanding job, but very high reward one. It's I would say uh, the toughest of the jobs out there. So it's very you need to be very strong mentally and emotionally actually to go through it. We all see stories from people that they start in IB, uh, fizzle out because it's work-life balance they need. So it's very important to understand, like I mentioned previously as well, that you need to understand what you're good at, what are your priorities, and then you set your priorities straight. Then only you will actually it makes easier for you to plan your career out in banking industry.